Intel AI team. Today I'm going to present the project that I created for the Intel AI for Youth program. So basically this is a weather predicting project in which first of all I've imported all my libraries that I need. I've imported pandas, I've imported train test split to split all my data into training data and testing data. Then I've imported standard scalar, then I've imported tree to use decision tree. I imported matplotlib and numpy to represent my data in the graph and for data visualization, but right now it is not needed anymore. Over here I'm creating a data frame where I'm reading all the data from weatherhistory.csv. There are over 100,000 lines of data in this weatherhistory.csv, but unfortunately there are only 2 points to predict: rain or snow. I've dropped some columns like formatted date, daily summary, loud covers, summary, because those columns were not any helping in prediction of data, prediction of in the prediction. Then I've dropped all the nan values. Then I've label encoded the precept type that I need to find out. I've said rain is 1 and snow is 2. I've called the replace function to perform my label encoding and given in place equals true. I've specified on in X on what things should it train to basically predict precept type. Then in Y I have got precept type. I've split the training data and testing data using train test split. I've standardized my data. I've standardized the training data using fit transform method, and then I've standardized the testing data using the transform method. Then I've created the decision tree model. In DT I have created the decision tree and done tree.decision tree classifier match depth equals 5. I ran a for loop to see which one was the best to use and matched if the fifth one was the depth of 5 was the best to use. So over here this is our decision tree being created. Now we are training our decision tree on X and Y. Next in predict weather we are just predicting whatever all the things that are in X test, right? So we are predicting everything and saving in predict weather. Then creating an empty array, looping over predict weather. If we get X equals 1, that means we have rain, so we are appending rain. Else if we don't have 1, we are appending snow. In the end we are printing array. So as I told you, there are all less over 100,000 lines, so about over 100,000 lines. So this is the 0.01 test data, so it's a lot, but it is showing that is it gonna rain, snow, rain. So in the testing data, wherever it thought it was gonna rain, it showed rain, and whenever it thought it is gonna snow, it snowed. Thank you, and I hope you liked my project.